Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about specifically about the KDP because yesterday I uploaded a video talking about that I uploaded 1,000 books in just 4 months on KDP, and I was getting a few of the comments. People were asking me how did I was able to achieve that, what was my strategy, what software did I use, and talking about the process of uploading the books on the KDP and how I go about it and all that. So I thought of making a complete video talking about how I did it, what softwares did I use, and all these strategies and all things. If you're interested in that, then let's get started with today's videos guys. And also don't forget to consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel so whenever I upload more such videos you will be get notified about. Guys, if you want to check out my other videos related to the KDP, getting my first sale on the KDP in my first month and talking more about the KDP, if you want to check those videos, and I'm linking the complete playlist of the KDP on the card section above. You can check that videos very well. In today's video I'm going to talk about the things that I'm using right now. I have been using it till October because I was uploading my books till October, and then November, December I didn't upload anything, and in the January I'm still not uploading anything, but I will be considered to upload more in the here covers. Now in the very beginning when I was completely new to this KDP business, I wasn't know what exactly the content of the book or interior of the book actually look like. So I downloaded the few of the free interiors from the book bold. You can check that book bold over here guys. So I downloaded few of the free book interiors from the book bold. So that was in the very beginning I was using the book bold and the KDP and doing all that. Later on I want more quality. I want more quality for my books because everyone is going for the book bold and they are downloading that free covers, the free interiors. So books would be having the same interiors, so I decided to switch on to something else to get my book interiors. So I also use the Creative Fabrica. Now Creative Fabrica, I have made many videos talking about the Creative Fabrica, how to open up a shop and sell and all that. I am a verified seller as well, and I am also a buyer from Creative Fabrica as well. So I purchased few of the KDP interiors from the Creative Fabrica itself, and they have a huge collection of KDP interior ranging from low or no content book to coloring books, puzzles, and there are various different varieties of book interiors that you can download it from the Creative Fabrica. Now it's not free, you need to pay. They have a monthly subscription, but their monthly subscription is really worth it guys, because you have the facility by just paying few bucks a month would be having to able to download all the book interiors that they have on the Creative Fabrica, which is really amazing guys. So those were the two tools that I used in the very beginning of me uploading the KDP book. But then later on I thought of I need to focus more on the quality. I need to produce my book interior by myself, because then they wouldn't be same as for other book interiors that have been uploaded on the KDP, because many people are using the book bold and the Creative Fabrica, so the book interior is quite the same. So I thought of just moving some sort of different software, different tools, and starting with my own book interior guys. Now there are many tools that you can use. That a professional software is InDesign. InDesign is really amazing if you're looking for professional software. It's not free, you need to pay for that. Yeah, InDesign is you need to pay that, and then you get the facility to use them. And you can also use the Microsoft Word or the Docs as well, Google Docs as well, or apart from that you can also use the Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the beginning, apart from these tools, I started a bit on the Microsoft PowerPoint also. I was trying my hands on the PowerPoint, but then I saw that I need to adjust the dimension. I need to go and edit each and everything again and again, and it was taking me much more time because I was having my schedule of uploading 1,000 books a month, and if I am giving so much time in making those book interiors, then obviously I also need to upload the books on the KDP as well. So it will going to take me a lot more time for a day, and then I wouldn't be able to focus on my other business. So what I did, I tried PowerPoint as well. I make few book interiors on the PowerPoint as well, and then also I tried the InDesign. Now InDesign is a professional software guys. If you're starting with the InDesign, then you need a little bit more time to actually know about the software and to know how to use it, how to make the book interiors, and how to export the file from it, and you need to have a little bit knowledge before I actually use the InDesign. So it was taking me a lot more time because I was new to the software, so it was taking me a lot more time. So I made a few book interiors in the PowerPoint, in the InDesign as well, but then I switched to the Canva. The game changed for me. Now Canva is a free and paid tool as well, but if you're starting with the free option, the free option is worthwhile. You don't need to pay for the premium plan in the beginning, but if you later on wanna upgrade your level and you want more illustrations and more of their tools from the platform, then you can obviously go for the paid option, but the free option is worth checking it. So I started with the Canva because I was looking for other software, but I couldn't find the software which is more convenient, more efficient and more fast. Like I can go with that and can produce more book interior fast with less time, because I wasn't having much of the time in a day. So with the Canva, you need to have like a custom dimension. You can go with the 6 by 9 inches, although there are many books in the 8 by 11 inches also, but ideally like the book standard is the 6 by 9 inches. Again guys, it depends on you, whatever size you want to go for book interior, but I usually tend to use a 6 by 9 inches. So I picked the custom dimension, the Canva 6 by 9 inches, and making my book interior completely from scratch. Now guys, in the Canva, you only have 100 pages. You can't exceed your file above the 100 pages. So if you are making a book interior in the Canva, then you can make till 100 pages, and you want like 200 pages book interior to upload on the KDP, then you can go on to the online and can merge the different PDFs together and can make a multiple pages book. But for the Canva, you only have the facility to have 100 pages for your PDF document, for 100 pages, whatever file you're using in the Canva. So I tend to use the 100 pages only, but when I was uploading few of the books in the 130 pages, so what I did, I just used the online PDF merge tools, or there are various software as well in which you can merge the different two PDFs together and can make a complete single PDF. So I used that also. So Canva was a really game changer for me because it was so easy and so efficient. Like I don't need to give so much time to make these book interiors and all that. Now guys, if I am uploading 1000 books in 4 months, that means I have 120 days, and in 120 days I need to upload 1000 books. So approximately it comes out to be like 8 to 9 books daily. So I used to give like 6 to 7 hours to make those book interiors, to do the KDP research as well, then looking for tags and titles, then making that book cover, and then finally uploading onto the KDP. So it took me like 6 to 7 hours each day to upload those 8 to 9 books daily. So it was a big time, and I was like literally at the some time I was feel like I'm completely overwhelmed and feel like I'm burned out. I need to take a break or anything like that, but then I have like a schedule. I thought that I need to be consistent with that to see what exactly it's working for me, to come to a conclusion and to finally decide, okay, this is the thing, it's working, this is the title, description, this type of book cover works well, so I need to replicate it, I need to duplicate more of it, and to figure out all those things I need to upload more books, because I was watching videos of the YouTubers talking about the KDP, but I was like completely confused about what exactly how I need to proceed with that and what strategy should I need to follow. So I thought of like, instead of thinking too much about it, I need to take an action, and then the results will going to show me exactly what's working and what's not working. Guys, I used, and one thing I'm going to tell you, that I didn't use any automation tool to upload my books on the KDP. I don't know, like I watched some YouTube videos and I don't remember which was that YouTuber, and some people were telling that they have been uploading 20 to 30 books daily by automation tool, and then the Amazon put their books on review, and they tell them, like they email them to change the book title, description or something like that, and then only they gonna put their book on live onto the Amazon. I don't sure about it, is it really true or not, but I heard somewhere, I read somewhere on the internet, so I thought that Amazon don't love the automation tool, so it's better to go do it manually instead of using any automation tool, guys. And also guys, I don't like mass uploading of the books, or mass or spamming the platform or like something like that. I don't use it, although I uploaded multiple different books just to see what's working for me, just to test the market and all that, but I wasn't really in favor of uploading so much stuff onto a platform and then spamming the platform and all that. So that's why I didn't use any automation tool for KDP. In fact, I didn't use any automation tool for print on demand platform as well. I just do it manually. Obviously the manual process takes more time, but it's worth doing it because I don't want my Amazon account to get suspended or terminated if something goes out of the way or something like that, and I don't want to lose it, because Amazon is the biggest opportunity out there. Like, it's one of the biggest marketplaces out there, and even if you are looking for earning something online, then don't miss out the Amazon. It's a great opportunity. So that's why I didn't use any automation tool. I just manually do it. Now I'm going to tell you guys, one of the tool that I used was really so amazing. Now for researching of your book, KDP, like you can go on the Amazon itself and can search for any niche and category and see for the bestsellers rank, what category of the book is that, how many books are there, the search results, and do all those things in the Amazon itself. But one tool I used was really a game changer for me was the Helium 10. Now Helium 10 is amazing. They have like free and paid option. I don't remember exactly, like they have 1 to 2 searches per day for free, and then if you want more searches then obviously you need to pay for using their paid option. But I use their free option, and free option is worthwhile. You can go for any niche and you can check their keywords, that what keywords they are using in their books, and what is the title, the description, and whether that keyword is competitive or not, how many search result is there, and various detail regarding it. The Helium 10 is really amazing, and I make it for yourself. Either you can use these tools, or either you can hire a designer for doing that. But being myself as an artist and designer, I know a lot of like how to design the book interiors and all that, so I did it by myself after using all those tools. And I was putting the illustrations in the books as well, trying to change the book interior, like every page has a different illustration or something like that. So I experimented with a lot, and I hope you're talking about how to make a book cover, how to make a book interior in Canva, talking about like taking you step by step on how to start and how to finish with the book interior and book cover and all that in the Canva. I'm gonna make a separate video for that particular topic where I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to make book interiors in Canva and how I did it, what's my procedure of doing that. So stick around on my channel and don't forget to subscribe it, so whenever I upload that video you'll be getting notified about it. So I'm gonna upload that video, guys. And also I did make a few of the variations in the book cover. Now one thing I'm going to tell you, that I was uploading 8 to 9 books daily, but like almost 3 to 4 books were having the same interior, and then I was changing the interior. So it was like 4 books would be having the same interior, and then I was changing the interior for each and every book, and every book would be having a unique book cover, a unique title, description, tag, and all that. So I did all those things. I tested with the book cover as well, like should I use a gradient background, should I use illustration, should I change the font size or put the font upward or downward. Like I did a variation of that. So every book was having a separate book cover, and per 4 books I was changing the book interior, because I don't want to spam the platform. I just want to be authentic as much as I can. So that's what I did. Like I was keep changing the book interiors per 4 books, and for every book there was a unique title, there was a unique description and unique book cover, so that Amazon don't figure out that I'm spamming the platform or anything like that. So it took me like 6 to 7 hours daily of the daily work, and it was sometimes I was really overwhelmed and completely burned out. Like I feel like I don't want to do it. My eyes were burning and I was like feeling I'm so tired of it. But then I said to me that I need to do it for 4 months and then wait for 2 to 3 months to see what's working for me and what's not, what the strategy I need to follow, what I need to change or edit or anything like that. So that's the video, guys. I hope it really helps you to figure it out how you want to proceed with your KDP by listening to me how I am doing it. So I hope this video is really helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading a step-by-step process on how to make book interior in the Canva and how to make a book cover as well. So I'm gonna make that video, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload that you'll be get notified about it. And that's it for today's videos, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.